Hi, this is Bardo. Something new today, or maybe not new for you, who knows. Let me share the screen. So, you would like to send your client a form. Could be PDF, could be a Word file, but let's do this example. We're going to use Excel. And what I'm showing here in the example is that I am having this column A, which I am going to hide. Because here you can see I have a sender address, and here I have a receiver address. And to make sure that I will get unique values, I will make this column A, receiver address and sender address. But of course, the client will not see this, so we will hide it. So it will be a clean and neat form, and she is only allowed to fill out the fields that are white in this case. So let's see, how would that work in Lobster? So in Lobster, I can directly go to page 3. I will load the data. And you can see here that he's picking up the shipment details. This is the first line where he finds data in column B. Then here I will just iterate over all these lines, and I'm going to extract the data. And how am I doing this? I am adding them to lists. That's what you're seeing here. And because I'm adding them to lists, I'm creating this large number of lists that I can then later on use. So here you're going to see that I'm going to dump the list. And then also I will split the list or get a certain value, value 1, value 2, value 3 from a list, etc. So if I take this to a test mapping, and I go to the list maps and variables, you're seeing that I have a lot of lists. And here, when I test it, you can see that I'm able to dump the data from these lists. How would that work? If I run it here, which I did, I gave it this form as input field. And so this was the input. And now this becomes the output. Pretty easy. Good luck. Bye.